we had our lead tech quit actually the day before day one. The
Yeah.
day before I took the company, he quit, left. And so we started day one down a person. And
In
so
like a 4-person company.
in a 4-person company, yeah. I think 5 including the dispatcher, but still, now you have to field calls. And so within 2 weeks, I was running calls. I have a background in engineering, but point being is, I'm the one knocking on doors and fixing AC units at 2 weeks in. I was waking up at 4 a.m. watching YouTube videos to get, 10 most common HVAC problems. And I'm not ashamed to say it because realistically, that's what had to happen to keep the business running.